All right, guys, we got you a Denali. What is it? Denali. 2006 GMC Denali. My new guy's like, huh? Why you want me to repeat Denali? Look at that, he's wearing the merch. Love it, love it. We'll have it on our channel soon. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory because it's the 6.0 right there, as you guys can see, all the way back. And what we did is a muffler delete there, as you guys can see. And then the original muffler on the Denali comes in, dual out. Then it wires into a single right there. So we left that because he wanted it single. Out the back into a dual tip. Because, you know, why not? It looks good. Give it a nice different look to it. And he wanted a little angle on it, so we gave him a little angle. There's the stock muffler we cut off of it. As you guys can see, it's dual in, dual out. There it is, massive muffler. And that's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You like it? Much better. Here's sound decibel. 118, man. That's loud. Again? That's not bad at all. Go ahead and back it out. Wow. That's pretty loud. Heck yeah, guys. Enjoy. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Denali. True dual straight pipe. Dual tip.